World Standards Day 2024 marked a celebration of shared efforts towards building a better world through standards. With the theme Shared Vision for a Better World, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. This year's events highlighted how standards drive sustainable development, foster innovation and ensure safety and efficiency in everyday life. The celebrations reached their height at the Grand Manak Mahotsav on October 14th at Hotel SK Clyde Grand in Ghaziabad. The day began with the lighting of a traditional lamp, establishing a solemn atmosphere focused on quality. Shri Kumar Animesh, Director and Head of BIS Ghaziabad, welcomed attendees with a speech that emphasized the vital role of standards in achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This was followed by a captivating Ganesh Vandana dance and an insightful keynote address by Dr. R.K. Tyagi, Deputy Director General of BIS Central Region, who stressed on the importance of standards in infrastructure and innovation. Guest of honor Padma Shri Wasifuddin Dagar, the renowned Indian classical musician, along with Shri Nikhil Pran, Director of Pran's Features and Publisher of Chacha Chaudhary Comics, helped create a memorable and interactive day filled with engaging panel discussions. To make this day commemorative, BIS GZBO launched Manak Veer, a specially designed character created to empower and support BIS standard promotion activities. The celebrations extended beyond the Mahotsav, unfolding through a series of vibrant and impactful programs aimed at diverse stakeholders. Over 240 mentors committed to enhancing quality standards in schools across Baghpat and Amroha, focusing on educating and inspiring educators to incorporate these standards into their school ecosystems. 3 industry conclaves held in Baghpat, Amroha and Meerut brought together 340 representatives from government bodies, MSMEs and industry associations. They engaged in discussions about quality initiatives and the BIS Care app, fostering collaboration in promoting standards. 2 RWA sanitization program in Ghaziabad empowered 120 members of resident welfare associations, equipping community leaders to advocate for safety and quality in their neighborhoods. This momentum continued on October 9th with a significant quality walkathon involving over 2,350 students and teachers across 9 locations, reinforcing the commitment to sustainable growth in rural untouched India.
रैली के माध्यम से जो आसपास के क्षेत्र है उनको समझाया जा रहा है कि आप जो भी सामान खरीदें वो भारतीय मानक ब्यूरो एक टेस्टिंग के माध्यम से आईएस मार्क लगाता है, उसको आईएस मार्क देखकर ही खरीदें।
हर चीज में BIS का प्रमाण होना चाहिए ताकि हम सुरक्षित रहें और हमारे पैसे सही जगह पर खर्च हो।
हमेशा वही प्रोडक्ट खरीदे जिस पर BIS का ISI मार्क हो। इससे यह साबित होता है कि BIS द्वारा प्रमाणित है और सुरक्षित है।
The Youth to Youth Quality Connect program engaged 400 students from various districts who pledged to become Manak Mitra champions, promoting standards within their communities. The Grand Manak Mahotsav on October 14th served as a valuable platform for deeper engagement, drawing in 230 stakeholders. This event facilitated connections between industry leaders and future innovators as they pledged to collaborate on establishing standard infrastructure.
Each year on October 14th, we join the international community to celebrate World Standards Day. This is a unifying call that highlights the importance of activities related to standards and pays tribute to collaborative efforts of thousands of people giving their time and efforts to this work.
It featured dynamic panel discussions, entertaining skits, and informative exhibitions that showcase the societal impact of standards. BIS GZBO recognized 3 recipients of All India First licenses, honored 24 industry professionals who supported student exposure visits, and acknowledged the principals, mentors from various institutes, social media influencers, Gram Pradhan, and our wonderful students. The month-long celebration culminated in the Kisan Mela from October 16th to 18th in Meerut, which attracted a remarkable turnout of 5,000 farmers, students and community members. The Agricultural Minister of UP, Shri Surya Pratap Shahi, visited the BIS Manak stall, commending BIS's initiatives. Additionally, BIS GZBO was awarded the first prize for the best government stall among hundreds of participants. To expand the reach and impact of standards, BIS GZBO launched multiple publicity campaigns, including a specially designed Manak Rath that toured 9 districts over 9 days, wraps on 15 CNG buses, 18 large hoardings in prominent places, 40 street standing panels in busiest road, ITO to Mayur Vihar East, Delhi, 300 digital screens in Resident Welfare Association lobbies, radio advertisements on 95 FM stations, newspaper ads featuring interviews with officials. In total, the World Standards Day 2024 celebrations directly reach over 9,000 participants, with a ripple effect touching millions more. It wasn't just about raising awareness. It was about embedding a culture of quality, safety, and sustainability into everyday life. Let's continue this journey together, making standards the foundation of a better future for all.